Hello and welcome to Round World Facts channel. Today, we share with you the most amazing facts and secrets about gambling. Gambling is a fascinating and exciting activity that can bring you thrill, entertainment, and money. But it can also be dangerous, addictive, and costly if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we will reveal some shocking facts about gambling that can make you rich. These facts are based on scientific research, mathematical calculations, and expert advice. They will help you improve your gambling skills, increase your chances of winning, and make more money from gambling. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Gambling is a fascinating and exciting activity that can bring you thrill, entertainment, and money. But it can also be dangerous, addictive, and costly if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we will reveal 20 shocking facts about gambling that can make you rich. These facts are based on scientific research, mathematical calculations, and expert advice. They will help you improve your gambling skills, increase your chances of winning, and make more money from gambling. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Card counting in blackjack. Card counting involves keeping track of the ratio of high-value to low-value cards in blackjack. When there are more high cards, tens and aces, remaining in the deck, players have a higher chance of getting blackjack or hitting strong hands. Edward Thorp's pioneering book, Beat the Dealer, explained how card counting works and how players can adjust their bets to take advantage of favorable card compositions. The MIT Blackjack Team. A group of MIT students and alumni formed teams that employed sophisticated card-counting techniques in blackjack casinos. They practiced meticulous coordination, signals, and strategic betting to take advantage of positive counts. Their teamwork and accurate card counting enabled them to win millions of dollars from casinos around the world. Edge sorting in baccarat. Phil Ivey, a professional gambler, used edge sorting to identify tiny irregularities in playing cards. By asking dealers to arrange the cards in a specific manner, he could distinguish between valuable and less valuable cards. This technique gave him a distinct advantage in baccarat games, allowing him to make more informed bets. Biased roulette wheels. In the 19th century, some roulette wheels were not perfectly balanced, leading to certain numbers being favored more than others due to mechanical imperfections. Joseph Jagger exploited this bias by meticulously recording the results of numerous spins, identifying the biased numbers, and betting on them. Hole carding in poker games. Some poker games, particularly in Caribbean stud poker and certain variants, have a dealer's hole card that is accidentally exposed. Observant players who can catch a glimpse of this card can gain crucial information about the dealer's hand, enhancing their decision-making during the game. Dice control in craps. Dice control, often referred to as controlled shooting or dice setting, involves manipulating how dice are thrown in craps to influence the outcome of the roll. By learning specific techniques and angles, skilled practitioners claim they can increase the likelihood of certain numbers appearing. Kelly criterion betting. The Kelly criterion is a mathematical formula that helps gamblers determine the optimal size of their bets based on their perceived edge and the odds offered by the casino. While effective when accurately estimated, incorrect estimations can lead to excessive bets and potential losses. The Dominator in craps. Dominic, the Dominator, Lo Regio is renowned for his dice control skills in craps. He claims to have developed a consistent throwing technique that increases the chances of favorable outcomes, such as avoiding the dreaded 7-out. Progressive betting in roulette. Some players employ progressive betting systems in roulette, like the martingale strategy. The strategy involves doubling bets after each loss, with the goal of recovering losses and making a profit. While it can work in theory, prolonged losing streaks can lead to substantial losses. Slot machine exploits. Russian hackers in the 1990s exploited weaknesses in certain slot machine pseudorandom number generators, PRNGs. By understanding the algorithms, they were able to predict the patterns and outcomes of spins, leading to significant profits before countermeasures were implemented. Online poker collusion. In online poker, collusion involves players conspiring to share information about their hands, giving them an unfair advantage over opponents. Colluders use communication tools to coordinate bets and maximize their chances of winning. Shuffle tracking in blackjack. Shuffle tracking involves following clusters of cards through a series of shuffles. Skilled players can anticipate the movement of high or low cards, allowing them to adjust their bets and strategy accordingly. Comp hustling. Comp hustlers employ strategic gameplay to maximize the rewards and complementary services, offered by casinos. They take advantage of loyalty programs, free rooms, meals, and other perks to reduce their gambling expenses and improve their overall experience. Martingale betting strategy. The martingale strategy involves doubling bets after each loss, with the goal of recovering losses and making a small profit. While it can lead to short-term success, it's risky due to the potential for hitting table limits or facing an extended losing streak. Reverse martingale strategy, also known as the Paroli strategy. This technique involves doubling bets after wins to capitalize on winning streaks. By gradually increasing bets, players aim to maximize profits during hot streaks. Video poker expertise. Skilled video poker players use optimal strategy charts, which provide the mathematically best decisions for every hand. These charts can be learned and employed to achieve an edge over the casino. Compromised slot machines. Some slot machines have been tampered with or compromised, allowing players to trigger payouts more frequently than intended. These manipulations can lead to substantial winnings for the players who exploit them. Roulette wheel bias in modern times. In rare cases, modern roulette wheels can develop bias due to manufacturing imperfections or wear and tear. Certain numbers may be favored, leading to patterns that observant players can exploit for profit. Poker cheating devices. Advanced technology has led to the creation of cheating devices like hidden cameras, marked cards, and electronic devices that allow players to gain an advantage in poker games. These devices provide information about opponents' hands, giving cheaters a significant edge. While these techniques have been successfully employed by some individuals to yield profits, it's important to note that casinos actively monitor for advantage play and may take countermeasures to prevent these strategies from being effective. Additionally, some techniques may involve unethical or illegal behavior, and players who employ such methods may face legal consequences and expulsion from casinos. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about gambling. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.